Ever tried smoothing a corner only to nick your fingers instead? Or struggle to measure perfectly every single time? If you're tired of those little woodworking headaches, stick with us. We've got budget-friendly solutions you'll love. Wonder how professional woodworkers achieve those perfectly softened corners on furniture without endless sanding? The Jurgensen Corner Easing Plane is a small but mighty tool designed precisely for that purpose. It effortlessly breaks hard, sharp edges on wooden corners with a smooth chamfer that adds both safety and style to your projects. Whether you're finishing a tabletop or a cabinet, it saves you hours of work and spares your fingers from rough or uncomfortable edges. Its compact design makes it easy to handle and control along long edges or tight corners, and the storage feature keeps the blade safe between uses. This plane is the perfect addition for anyone looking to add that extra professional touch without investing in expensive, bulky tools. If you want to upgrade the look of your woodwork with beautifully rounded edges, the Freud Quadricut rounding over bit is a router bit that delivers professional results consistently. It's designed to make smooth, precise curves on wood edges, eliminating roughness and splintering. Ideal for frames, cabinet doors, or decorative trim, this bit is crafted from premium steel and features 4 sharp cutting edges for clean finishes and increased durability. The design reduces tear out on hardwoods and softwoods alike, so your edges come out flawless every time. Perfect for beginner and experienced woodworkers alike, this router bit helps transform basic wood pieces into polished, eye-catching elements that elevate any project's craftsmanship. For those who appreciate the precision and craftsmanship of traditional woodworking, the Suizan Japanese Pull Saw offers a unique cutting experience. Unlike typical push saws, this saw cuts on the pull stroke, allowing for thinner blades, finer kerfs, and more controlled cuts. It's the perfect tool for delicate joinery, detailed cuts, or when working with expensive hardwoods where every millimeter counts. The dual-edged blade lets you switch between coarse and fine cutting without changing saws, adding versatility to your toolkit. Lightweight and well-balanced, it reduces fatigue during longer projects, making it easy to achieve clean, splinter-free cuts every time. Whether building furniture or tackling small repairs, this saw's control and precision make it invaluable in any woodworker's arsenal. Drilling perfectly straight holes freehand can be a challenge for any woodworker, especially when precision is critical for joinery or shelving assembly. The Milescraft DrillMate is a simple yet ingenious drill guide that stabilizes your drill and guides it in a perfectly straight vertical path. Attach it to your drill, adjust it to the right angle, and suddenly your holes are clean, square, and perfectly aligned. This tool is ideal for repetitive drilling tasks or work that requires consistent hole placement, like cabinet pinholes or dowel joints. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily into your work routine and lets even novice woodworkers gain confidence when drilling. The DrillMate's affordability and simplicity make it a must-have for improving accuracy while saving time and material waste. Safety and precision go hand in hand, and the MicroJig GRR Ripper 3D Pushblock is designed to boost both when using table saws or joiners. Holding and guiding your wood pieces securely, it significantly reduces the risk of kickback, a major hazard in woodworking, and improves control during cuts. Its 3-dimensional design means it clamps wood firmly from above and the sides, allowing you to push stock evenly and smoothly through blades or cutters with minimal effort. The GRR Ripper fits a variety of board thicknesses, making it versatile for many tasks. The ergonomic handle provides comfort during extended use, and the durable construction ensures reliability over time. This push block not only helps protect your fingers, but also guarantees cleaner and more accurate cuts by maintaining stable contact with the wood. Precision in measurement sets the foundation for perfect woodworking, and the Woodpecker's HexScale Precision Ruler offers unmatched accuracy in a durable package. Made from sturdy materials with laser-engraved graduation marks, it's resistant to wear and fading even under tough workshop conditions. Unique hexagonal edges prevent the ruler from rolling away when placed on your workbench, so it's always ready to use. Whether you're marking cut lines, laying out joints, or double-checking alignment, this ruler simplifies the process with clear visibility and easy handling. Its robust design and highly readable graduations allow for quick, confident measurements that minimize mistakes. For anyone serious about detailed woodworking, the HexScale ruler is a reliable and essential companion. Building shelves that fit perfectly requires accurate, evenly spaced holes for shelf pins, and the KREG Shelf Pin Jig makes this task foolproof. With this tool, drilling clean, square holes at consistent depths and intervals is quick and easy, even for beginners. The jig features guides that securely hold your drill bit in place, preventing wandering or angled holes that could ruin your shelving installation. Its adjustable stops accommodate different shelf thicknesses, giving you flexibility for various projects like cabinets, bookcases, or entertainment centers. Using the jig speeds up assembly and ensures your shelves have a sturdy, professional fit every time. Practical and affordable, this tool is a worthy addition that will save you frustration and trip-ups in storage or furniture projects. When it comes to sanding, the SKIL Detail Palm Sander is a compact powerhouse made for smoothing tight spots and finishing surfaces with ease. Its lightweight design lets you handle the sander for extended periods without wrist fatigue, perfect for intricate trim or detail sanding on furniture or molding. The triangular sanding pad accesses corners and edges that conventional sanders can't reach, making it indispensable for touch-ups or finishing hard-to-get areas. It vibrates smoothly for efficient material removal while helping reduce swirl marks. Easy to control and with tool-free sandpaper changes, this sander brings big results in a small, affordable package. Whether you're preparing wood for finishing or cleaning up after cuts, it's the go-to for flawless final touches. Sometimes all you need is a clamp that won't let go, and the TOLESA heavy-duty spring clamps do just that with strong, reliable pressure on your workpieces. These clamps are great for quick holding during glue-ups, assembly, or positioning, especially when you need fast setup without fiddling with screws or triggers. Their spring-loaded action means you can clamp or release with one hand, making them intuitive and easy to use in tight spaces. The durable plastic jaws distribute pressure evenly, reducing damage to delicate surfaces. These clamps come in handy for woodworking, crafts, repairs, and more, proving that simple tools with solid performance are often the most valuable additions to your workshop. Getting perfectly straight, clean cuts with a circular saw can be a challenge, but the Bora Quickcut Circular Saw Guide acts like an on-the-bow track system that guarantees precision every time. Simply clap it onto your workpiece, set your saw against the guide rail, and follow the line with confidence. No more guesswork or shaky cuts. It works with most circular saw models and adjusts easily to different cutting widths, making it useful for plywood sheets, framing lumber, and more. The aluminum construction is lightweight yet rigid, ensuring durability and stability for countless cuts. Whether you're trimming doors or ripping boards, the Quickcut Guide eliminates frustration and delivers professional results on a budget. Ever tried to juggle a heavy board and a clamp at the same time, only to hear one crash to the floor? The Irwin Quick Grip clamps are here to save your DIY pride and your fingers. Featuring a powerful one-handed squeeze trigger, these clamps let you attach or release materials instantly, all while keeping your other hand free to adjust that stubborn workpiece. The medium-duty grip supplies strong, even pressure for gluing, assembling panels, securing jigs, or holding awkward angles. They're lightweight but tough enough for repeated use, and the non-marring pads protect delicate wood from dents or scratches. From quick setups during repairs to detailed builds that need extra sets of hands, you'll find these clamps in constant rotation in your shop. A real solution for anyone tired of wrestling with clamps that fight back. You know the feeling, measuring a long board and your tape measure sags mid-span or bites your knuckles when it rewinds. That's why so many woodworkers stick with the Stanley PowerLock tape measure. With its standout reach and sturdy chrome case, this tape won't flop under pressure. The blade locks securely with a satisfying click, and bold, easy-to-read numerals speed up your markups for cuts or layouts. The spring return is smooth but controlled, so no more fear of snapping steel. Lightweight, affordable, and built to take a beating, it becomes your go-to for everything from rough framing to final trim. Whether you're a weekend hobbyist or a seasoned pro, this classic tape measure is simply indispensable for everyday tasks around the workshop and beyond.
Cross-cutting boards accurately can be risky and frustrating. How do you secure the wood, keep your fingers safe, and make sure the cut is square? The KREG Crosscut Station tackles all these headaches at once. Acting as a portable miter box for your circular saw, it holds the material stable while built-in guides let you cut precise right angles and 45-degree miters with ease. Clear scale markings, solid construction, and integrated clamping points provide the accuracy of a table saw sled, but in a tool you can carry to any corner of your shop or job site. Perfect for trimming moldings, making frames, or batch cutting shortboards, this station helps you work safer and faster. No big investment or learning curve required. Need a solid power saw for your home projects but don't want to overspend? The GALAX PRO Circular Saw combines affordability and performance in one compact package. Despite its wallet-friendly price, this saw delivers impressive cutting power for common woodworking materials, whether you're slicing plywood, notching studs, or breaking down sheets for furniture panels. Featuring easy blade adjustments, a comfortable grip, and a lightweight body, it's ideal for quick jobs and anyone new to power tools. Safety features like a blade guard and ergonomic trigger give you confidence during use, and its manageable size makes it portable for both job site and home garage tasks. For anyone reluctant to jump straight into professional-grade saws, this tool hits the sweet spot for value and reliability. If you're always second-guessing your marks or reading tape edges wrong, the eTape 16 digital tape measure might just be your next favorite gadget. This smart tape features a clear digital display that gives you instant, precise measurements, no squinting or eyeballing necessary. Its memory function lets you save previous readings, while inside-outside measurement switching and a re-zero feature help you work through confusing layouts or repetitive tasks with ease. The plastic body is built for daily wear, and the extendable tip offers accuracy whether you measure short pieces for drawers or wide panels for shelving. Perfect for those who love tech-savvy upgrades, this tape measure makes accuracy almost effortless, and your frustration levels drop the minute you try it. Meet the Magna Switch vertical featherboard, which has a powerful magnetic force. Snap it onto any cast iron table or saw top and it stays put, no fussing with miter slots or screws. The vertical fingers hold wood securely down during ripping or routing, minimizing chatter and improving safety. Adjust it in seconds to suit your workpiece thickness and pop it off when switching tasks. Ideal for table saws, jointers, and router tables, this featherboard is a safety essential that even pros rely on. Once you try it, you'll never want to cut without it again. Tired of wrestling with ill-fitting sandpaper sheets? Jet's Ready-to-Wrap Sandpaper solves the problem with pre-cut perfectly sized strips that fit your sanding block or hand sander with no trimming required. Available in multiple grits, these wraps attach in seconds, letting you switch between rough shaping and fine finish work smoothly. The abrasive is durable, so you spent more time sanding and less time changing paper. Its consistent grit distribution produces even surfaces for painting, staining, or finishing. For anyone who hates the hassle of prepping sandpaper, this product is a stress-free game changer that keeps your workflow rolling and your hands happy. Now here's the KREG Multimark, a compact all-in-one marvel that fills a dozen rolls at once. Use it as a depth gauge, set repetitive measurements, check square or 45-degree angles, or transfer layouts from plan to project. It's robust enough for job site abuse and small enough for your tool belt or pocket. Built with clear, easy-to-read markings and positive stops, Multimark streamlines tasks ranging from laying out hardware positions to marking shelf locations. Old-timers and beginners alike will appreciate the versatility this tool brings to nearly every woodworking session. Ever finished a project only to find your perfectly cut board start to warp or crack? The TOPTES Wood Moisture Meter takes the guesswork out of wood prep by giving you accurate moisture readings before you cut, drill, or assemble. Just insert the probes into your lumber and get an instant digital reading. No more surprises when humidity strikes. This meter helps prevent costly mistakes, especially if you work with reclaimed wood or materials exposed to weather. Small, rugged, and easy to use, it should live in every woodworker's toolbox as insurance against frustration. If you want furniture and joints that last, knowing your wood is ready is a no-brainer. That Juggling Act turns into a hands-free, safe, and repeatable process. Thanks to its clever spiral design, a simple turn adjusts pressure against your workpiece for snug, secure guidance along fences and tables. Unlike traditional featherboards with fussy nubs, the Hedgehog locks in place with a quick twist, keeping your workflow fast and frustration-free. This tool dramatically improves cut quality, reduces kickback, and makes you wonder how you ever worked without one. Perfect for ripping, routing, or working with oddly shaped stock, an instant safety and quality upgrade for any shop. With these 20 cool, affordable tools, you can seriously boost your woodworking without breaking the bank or crowding your shop. Which budget tool are you trying next? Let us know your favorites in the comments, and if this guide helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more.